Hello everybody, this is Dwalin from Keep It Simple, and today we are going to work through a question from Edexcel Specimen paper set 1. This is question 2. A box exerts a force of 140 newtons on a table. The pressure on the table is 35 newtons per meter squared. Calculate the area of the box that is in contact with the table. They've given you the formula here. So let's start by underlining the key words in the question. So we have a force of 140 newtons. Force is measured in newtons. The pressure on the table is 35 newtons per meter squared. So we have the pressure. Calculate the area. Okay, so there's a relationship between force, pressure, and area. And one useful way to remember the relationship is by drawing one of these compound triangles. So at the top we have force, and then we have pressure and area. Now you may have seen one of these triangles for distance, speed and time. Force at the top, pressure and area. And the way we use this triangle is we cover up the letter we're trying to work out. In this case we're trying to work out the area of the box. So if we cover up the A, we have force divided by pressure. So A is equal to force divided by pressure. Now on the right hand side I'm just going to write down what the force is. So F is equal to 140 newtons, and the pressure P is equal to 35 newtons per meter squared. So 35, and I'll write it as N per meter squared. So we're going to do some substitution. I'm going to replace F with 140. So A, the area, is equal to 140 newtons divided by 35 newtons per meter squared. So we now have to do this calculation. 140 divided by 35. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can try and simplify the fraction, so you can divide top and bottom by 5 and then do the division, or you can just count 35, 70, 105, 140. So the answer will be 4. Now we want to know the area. So area is squarea. What that means is area is measured in centimeters squared, meters squared, etc. The units we're going to use is going to be meters squared, because the pressure was measured in newtons per meter squared, and because the force is in newtons, we can simply just write 4 meters squared, and that will be your final answer. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please hit like and subscribe. This is Dwalin from Keep It Simple, signing out.